Hello everyone, today we are going to study about exercise 12.2 of chapter 12, Heron's formula. Yesterday we discussed up to question number 6, today we start from question number 7. The question number 7 is, a kite is in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 cm and an isosceles triangle of base 8 cm and side 6 cm. Each is to be made up of 3 different shades as shown in the figure. Okay, it is a kite made up of an square whose diagonals are 32 centimeter, and the part third is an isosceles triangle with base 8 centimeter and other two sides are 6 centimeter, and the square part is divided into one and two parts, and triangular is the third part. Find the area of paper for each shade. Okay, how much paper is of each shade has been used in it. Okay, we find the area of all the three parts. We know that the area of square is half into d1 into d2. d1 into d2 means diagonal first and diagonal second. And in a square we know that the both diagonals are equal, and the diagonal of the square given 32 centimeter. So the area of square is half into 32 centimeter, and second diagonal is also 32 centimeter. So if we solve it, we get 512 centimeter square. It is the area of the square. So area of first and area of second part, the diagonal of the square divide the square into two triangles of equal area. So area of first and area of second shade both are equal. So we can say that area of first shade and area of second shade is equal. So area of each shade equals to 512 centimeter square upon 2 is 256 centimeter square. 256 centimeter square is the area of first part and area of second part. Okay, now we find the area of triangle whose all the three sides are 6 and 8 centimeter. For the triangle, first we find as semi perimeter of the triangle, which is a plus b plus c upon 2 equals to 6 plus 6 plus 8 upon 2. We get 20 upon 2 equals to 10. The value of s is 10. So area of triangle, we know that by using Heron's formula, root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where s equals to 10. So 10 minus 6 first side, 10 minus 6 second side, 10 minus 8 third side. We get 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, 10 minus 6 is 4, and 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 we can write as 2 5s are 10, then 4 into 4, then 2. Answer in centimeter square. So if we make the pairs, we get 4 and 2 both are in pair, so they both are, we write outside the square root. 4 2s are 8, and inside the square root we get root 5. So 8 root 5 centimeter square is the area of triangular part, and the value of root 5 is 2.24. So 8 into 2.24 centimeter square equals to 17.92 centimeter square. It is the area of third triangular part. Okay. Question number 8. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. How many tiles are there? 16 tiles, which are triangular, and the shape of each tile is triangular. The side of the triangle being 9, 28 and 35 in centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. 50 paise per centimeter square. To find the cost of polishing, first we find the area. I find the area of 16 tiles. For that, first we find the area of one tile, and each tile is in the shape of triangle with side 9, 28 and 35. So s equals to 35 plus 28 plus 9 upon 2. 72 upon 2 equals to 36. So area of each tile is the square root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Heron's formula. The value of s is 36. 36 minus 35, 36 minus 28 and 36 minus 9 in centimeter square. So we get 36 into 1 into 8 into 27 centimeter square. If we solve it, we get 36 root 6 centimeter square is the area of one tile. and the value of root 6 is 2.45. 36 into 2.45 is 88.2 centimeter square. It is the area of one tile. And how many tiles we have? There are total 16 tiles. So area of 16 tiles equals to 16 multiplied by area of one tile. 16 multiplied by 88.2 centimeter square, we get 1411.2 centimeter square. Now the cost rate of the polishing is 50 paise per centimeter square. We can write rupees 0.5 per centimeter square. It is the cost rate. So total cost of polishing, we multiply the cost rate by the area. So 1411.2 multiplied by 0.5 cost rate in rupees. So we get rupees 705.60 is the total cost for polishing the 16 tiles. And the last question, question number 9. A field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Okay, it is given that ABCD is a trapezium with the parallel side 10 and 25 meter and the non-parallel sides are 30 meter and 14 meter. Find the area of this trapezium. For that, to find the area of trapezium, first we draw a line parallel to AD. We draw a line parallel to AD, give the name BE, and we draw a perpendicular BF to DC. So we make the construction. Draw a line BE parallel to AD and the perpendicular BF on CD. Now it can be observed that ABED, in ABED, AB and ED parallel and AD and B parallel by the construction. So it is a parallelogram, and in the parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So it is 13 meter. So BE is also 13 meter and AB equals to 10 meters. So DE equals to 10 meter. And EC, because the total length is 25 meter, out of 25 meter DE is 10 meters. So the remaining side is 15 meter. EC equals to 15 meter. Okay. So it can be observed that ABCD is a parallelogram. BE equals to AD equals to 13 meter. BE equals to AD equals to 13 meter. Opposite sides are equal. ED equals to AB equals to 10 meter. ED equals to AB equals to 10 meter. Opposite sides of parallelogram. And EC equals to 25 minus 10, 15 meter. So we find all the sides. Now we have the triangle BEC. BEC is a triangle whose all the three sides are given 13, 14 and 15 meter. So for the triangle BEC, first we find S. 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2, 42 upon 2 is 21 meter. It is the area of triangle. For triangle BEC, we find S equals to 21 meter. Now the area of triangle EBC equals to, by using Heron's formula, root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. If we solve it, S 21, 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15, first side, second side and third side. We get square root of 21 into 8 into 7 into 6. If we solve it, we get 84 meter square is the area of triangle. Okay. Now for this triangle, the area of this triangle is, we get 84 meter square. 84 meter square is the area of triangle. Now for this triangle, if we take EC is the base, then height is perpendicular on EC is BF. So by using half into base into find, if we find the area of triangle EBC, it remains same, 84 meter square. So area of triangle BEC equals to 84 meter square. We can write that half into base into height equals to 84 meter square. Half into base into height is the area of triangle ABC. Okay, what is the base and what is the height for triangle ABC? If we take EC is the base, then BF is the perpendicular on EC, so it is the height. So half into EC into BF equals to 84 meter square. Half into EC, the value of EC equals to 15 meter. So half into 15 meter into BF equals to 84 meter. If we find BF from here, 2 in multiply, 15 in divide, we get BF equals to 11.2 meter. BF equals to 11.2 meter, mean it is the height, and height we get 11.2 meter BF. Now ABCD is a trapezium, and we know that the area of trapezium equals to half into sum of parallel side for trapezium 10 and CD. How much? CD is 25, and the height between them is we get 11.2 meter. So by using the formula, if we find the area of trapezium ABCD equals to half into sum of parallel side into height. Half multiplied by the parallel sides of the trapezium are 25 plus 10 into height, we get 11.2 meter square. So half into 25 plus 10, 35 into 11.2 meter square by 2. 11.2 is cancelled 5.6 time, so we get 35 into 5.6 in meter square. The product of these two number is 196. So 196 meter square is the area of trapezium. Thank you.